what you're about to see change everything for me, and I mean everything. While analyzing thousands of gold charts one late night, I discovered something that made me question my entire trading career. This pattern, this simple zone pattern on the 1 hour chart. At first I thought it was just coincidence, but after 6 months of testing, well, let me just show you. Before I reveal this, I need you to understand something. This isn't your typical drawing lines on chart strategy. This is different. You see these zones right here? Most traders completely miss them because they are looking at the wrong thing. They focus on these when they should be looking at this. I'll wait while you hit the subscribe and the bell icon, because in exactly 4 minutes I'm going to show you something that will change how you see the gold market forever. Now what I'm about to show you is the exact pattern that changed everything. Join our free trading community where we spot these setups daily. Link in the description. So guys, as you can see, we have price rejecting from a demand zone with an entry pattern being created. So we will take our first entry right away. And since it's a scalp strategy, our TP is not going to be far away from our entry. With this golden scalp strategy, everything starts from the 1 hour time frame. We look out for rejection points which creates certain pattern to enable us get entries on the 15 minutes time frame. Currently, you can see price falling below our entry point, so we will take another buy and set both stop loss and TP for it as well. We need to manage our risk well, so the whole thing is, since we are trading gold, we don't need to jump in whenever it's going against us, and it all comes down to your account balance. And if you are using a very low account like a $10 account, you need to always open just one position with 0.01 no matter how it turns out. The reason why this trade was taken was due to the pattern that was created on both the 1 hour time frame and the 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, on the 15 minutes time frame, a pattern was created enabling us to execute these positions. We will cover more of such entry patterns in our next video, so make sure to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you get notified anytime we post a new video. These entry patterns gives us a very strong indication of whether our buy or sell positions will play out or not. Before I even consider taking a trade on the 15 minutes time frame, I make sure I see a rejection on the 1 hour time frame at certain specific demand and supply areas. So like I said, the more it goes against me based on my account size, I might open another position at that level, but with the same parameters for the time being. Currently, as you can see, we have price moving directly to our entry line. We would wait and see if it will rise to our horizontal line, which is in between our entry line and our TP line. As you can see, it moved to our horizontal line, so we will break even and leave the trade to run and see what happens next. Even though we are scalping, that last position, which is at break even, can give us 1:5 or more. And always remember, when price comes back to our break even, then that particular trade becomes invalid and we just have to wait for another opportunity. So guys, as you can see, price came down to our break even, so all we will do is leave that particular trade and wait for another opportunity in the market. So guys, as you can see, we have an opportunity being created on the 15 minutes time frame, and if we navigate to the 1 hour time frame, you would realize price is being bearish over there as well. But currently there is no pattern created on the 15 minutes time frame to give us an entry opportunity, so we would have to wait and see. So talking about patterns, what I want to see now is for the current 15 minutes candle to close bullish and the next candlestick bearish to enable us get a sell opportunity. So at the close of these bearish candlestick, we will take an entry and place our TP at the nearest reversal area where we have our horizontal line beneath and stop loss above our previous high. After, we will wait and see if we would need to open more positions or if we will be riding straight to TP without any drawdowns. Let's fast forward and see what happens at the end. So we got taken out again at break even, and this was the outcome of that particular trade. Sometimes it goes straight to our break even and we end up protecting our account, and sometimes it goes beyond 1.5, which is our risk to reward. In part 2, we will cover advanced pattern variations, perfect entry timing, risk management secrets, and real trade examples. Next week's video will reveal something even more powerful, but only if we hit 1,000 likes on this video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and see you in our next video.